Balu Graphi, freelance multimedia designer with a decade of working experience in business branding and promotion projects for a broad range of clients.
The evolution of modern humans and their ancient migration studies has been transformed in recent years. It was made possible by the new method of examining people's DNA instead of relying on the analysis of fossils alone. The genetic research of population groups in South India has revealed that Chenchu and Kurumba communities are genetically related to Australian Aboriginals. Australia, one of the largest countries in the world with a diverse range of fossil records. The earliest human presence in Australia, as early as 65,000 years ago, was found in Migrate sites. Mungo Man, the oldest known human remains outside of Africa, discovered in the southeastern region, is the name given to the skeleton remains of an Aboriginal Australian who lived about 42,000 years ago. Aboriginal people are known to have occupied mainland Australia for at least 50,000 years. Genetic studies suggest ancestors of Aboriginal Australians travelled through the West Asia and Southeast Asia and then reached Sonda and Sahul landmasses. Sonda, encompassing mainland Southeast Asia and surrounding islands. During the Pleistocene epoch, Australia, New Guinea, and Tasmania were part of a single landmass called Sahul, connected by land bridges. The discovery of Homo erectus remains in Asian countries supports the multiregional model, which suggests that modern humans evolved from separate groups of Homo erectus in different regions of the world. The multiregional proponents interpret that Aboriginal Australians were the successors of Homo erectus and Denisovans who interbred with Homo sapiens who left Africa. Aboriginal Australian mitochondrial DNA studies reveal unique and ancient lineages, primarily with haplogroups P, followed by S and M42A. Haplogroup M42A, while often associated with Australian Aboriginal populations, has a sister clade, M42B, found in South Indian tribal groups, with a divergence time of at least 55,000 years ago. Irina Pugac and Mark Stoneking of the Max Planck Institute in Germany succeeded in analyzing large-scale genotyping data from Aboriginal Australians and South Asians. Their study revealed that substantial gene flow occurred from India to Australia 141 generations ago. Assuming a generation time of 30 years, the Indo-Australian admixture happened 4,000 years ago. Among the population groups studied by scientists are the South Indian communities Kurumba and Chenchu, who appear to be ancestors of Australian Aboriginals. Chenchu tribes primarily live around Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Kurumba people fall into two major categories: various small tribal societies scattered along the Western Ghats and numerous congrees of castes inhabiting parts of the Deccan Plateau, primarily in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The kaili is a non-returning throw stick used by Australian Aboriginals for hunting, similar to the valeri, an ancient weapon used by the Tamil people that is banned by the British. Some researchers found linguistic similarities between Tamil and Aboriginal Australian languages. The gene flow from India to Australia is supported by the mitochondrial DNA, discovery of microlithic tools, plant processing techniques, and fossil records of dingo dogs. It is believed that the Australian wild dog, the dingo, which closely resembles Indian dogs, was brought by the Indian migrants some 4,000 years ago.